Good morning everyone. Today I am shooting my rooftop garden where I have kept near about 150 buckets. The purely we are consuming for our home purpose. You can see the palak. This is a tulasi, good for cold and medicinal purpose plant. This is tulasi, which is very good for cold. This is a different type of palak. In Tamil they call ponnangani. This is a sirikkirai in Tamil. This is a chili plant. Now my favorite is tomato. You can see how healthy the plant is coming. You can see the stem. Certainly it's going to fruit well. It's another tomato plant which is almost into a finishing stage. It's a last stage. This plant has given me near about 5 kg plus of yield, and it is in the last stage. Almost it is going to be over. This is another tomato plant. It's just in a starting stage. You can see. Dear friends, it's a beans plant. It's a very small bucket. I have planted one plant. You can see the beans have come. It is one of the native breeds. Very healthy. All the vegetables are cultivated in an organic manner. See how beautiful the plant is. The flowers. You can see the small beans. Hope I have zoomed well. You can see the flower. You can see the beans. It's a small beans. It's just a starting stage of the plant. Certainly it's going to give me a very good yield. Friends, it's a beans plant which has started giving me yield. You can see. The beans are shaking due to the breeze. It's not my hand. This plant is giving a pretty good yield. This is the chili plant, which is very very spicy. The yield is almost over. It's in the last stage. We have already harvested maximum of the chili. Usually the chilies are pointing downwards, but it is an exceptional variety where the chili is pointing the sky. Just watch, the chilies are pointing towards the sky. This plant is an elephant yam. Hindi it is called kandha, and Tamil it is called vattukalangu or chanakkalangu. This is another type of a palak which is called chukkakirai. In Andhra it is very very famous. Dear friends, it's a mint plant. You can see we have cultivated. It has been cultivated purely organically. You can see the yield. You can see the yield for one bucket. It is sufficient for more than 3 families. It is very much aromatic. The smell is really good. If I just wave a hand above this and I smell it, oh God, what a natural smell. Really, I hope you should enjoy this.